Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 10 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we created the gate and then we split this to make this as grass, and we added some grass here and then the road. We're gonna continue working on this. So level 1, we could split face again and choose this face, and same idea, we need to add in some of this. Let's see if we could add multiple and give it some room. Oops. Click finish, and then here we could click this one as grass. This one, let's edit the boundary. Let's basically copy what we have there. So good enough. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to add in a camera view, which is this is going to be my view right here. I'm gonna extend this like that, and as you can see, it looks very nice from this view by itself. Let's change the graphic display. I always like this background, the gradient, and then cast in shadows. As you can see, it looks very nice and neat, and we could basically create this or add this as our starting view. So you just need to go to your manage. I believe it's on manage or add in, and then this will be starting view. This will be the 3D view, view 1. So every time you open Revit or this project, it will show in this way. After that, let's create our sheets. So here, let's add in our sheet. Go to new sheet, load, and then let's go to our main menu, and then go to title block, and you can choose whatever right here. I'm gonna choose A4, or sorry, let's load A1 instead. So A1 is loaded. We could use this as our starting or our cover. So for our cover, you just need to drop this, and it will be like that. You can double click this, but it's actually not making it bigger, but instead making the view bigger. If you want to increase this, I believe you need to go here and size the crop. I think if you change this to 400 and the height to be around 250, and let's try. I think it's only that one that has been changed. Select this one and put it right here, or you could choose no title because this is our cover. Most of the time you will add in your pages right here as well. So that's under schedule. After that, let's add in more sheets. So here, you can right click on the sheets and then click on new sheet. Choose A1. You need to be consistent. You can change the name here or right there. So here, floor plan, first floor. After that, you just need to drop level 1 and then you just need to move it inside. For this, just go. So we need to clean up because there's so many things open. So here, let's open this, and then we need to apply all of this, and then for the view, another crop view, we need to be shown, and then we need to move it like that so that it just show the area that you want to show. After that, uncheck it, apply, and then you could see it, this one got fixed there. And then you just need to select this and fix this. Click this one and then move it like that. If you still doesn't want to show that, you will need to uncheck this or just leave it like that for now. So let's just check this one. We don't need that elevation view. And then keep on adding. I'm going to add multiple right now. And then from here, we could just put second floor. Let's do elevation. And then section. Okay, go to second and then just drag and drop here. This is 1 in 100. Let's see the first floor if it's 1 in 100 as well. So that's good. Both of them are 1 in 100. And then for elevation, let's drag all the elevation like that. We could fix that later on. Let's just add everything all together right here. You can move it on this side and go up a little bit. And then west elevation. What we could do is we could just delete. We could add north and south. We can change this to another elevation. Elevation 1. And then elevation 2. And then let's add in a new sheet for the section. So elevation 2, we need to add in east and then west. And then for section, let's go back to level 1 and then add in another section. So we have our vertical on this view and then a horizontal on this view. This dictates the depth of view. So you will need to pull it back so that you only show what you need to show. And then after that, the section will be right here. You can change this to sections. And then just drag and drop. And earlier we need to fix an elevation, which is right here. Just pull this up and it will be fixed on the elevation. There we go. Everything is fixed. So that's how easy it is to change or to create sheets and change some stuff. And for example, if you want this to change in scale, you just need to go to, for example, this is east elevation. You need to go to east and change the scale right here. This one will be much bigger once you go back to the sheet. And as you can see, it is so big right now. But it's something that you can fit here, but you will need to change something from the east elevation itself. So to change that, you will need to open the crop view and the crop region view. You will need to crop this similar to that. You don't need to pull this back. It will fix itself like that, and then uncheck it, or just maintain this. At least you will know that this is the only thing that is being shown. And then now once you go back to your east elevation, it is fixed. You just need to fix your title head. So you can even do this so that you can have a bigger, you can show it more on this. And if you want to show some details here, you will need to go back to east elevation again, change it to fine, and then some different graphics like this. And then if you change it there, it will be changed on your elevation. So you will need to manipulate it on the view itself, and then everything that you change here will reflect on your sheet. So the scale, the look, and all of those stuff. So I'm gonna undo that because I just want it to be 1:100 is good enough for me. So I'm gonna save this, and then the next thing that we're gonna do, let's add in some spotlight. This is something that I created, and I'm gonna add it on the download on part 1. So here, this is a face So I'm gonna add it on this face, and later on we're going to fix the align. So I'm just gonna add it for now right here, and I'm just gonna add 4. Here we could add some lights. We're gonna add 3 only. Okay. I just want to make sure we add 1 here. So there's 4 here. There's 3 each here. And then here we're going to add 6. Or actually, let's add in 9 and fix it later on. So now we need to see it on level 1 or in level 2. But to do that, we will need to play around with our view range. So here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my view range under properties. You need to press escape first so that you're not selecting anything. View range is under extend, edit. You need to put unlimited first. Now we could see it here, and as you can see, we put it randomly. So now we should align it like that. And then now we need to align them like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this one somewhat here and this one like that, and then align it again, and then align this one, and then align it here. So that's good. We need to align here now. And then here as well. And then I just want to align it. I just want to make sure that this is somewhat in the middle. And this one as well looks good. The one that is right here is being shown like that. What we could do is we could change the transparency. There we go. It's being shown now, and we just need to align it there. So let's move it and space it better. So that's good for now. And then here we could even add it now. So let's go to 3D, CM, and let's add it here as well. 3 and then 4. Go back to level 1, align it all together. And then now space it better. Okay, let's look at it at 3D to see if everything is good. So I like how it looks. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.